Today we'll be making this twine and seashell heart. Stick around to learn how. Hey guys, it's Sarah. I'm back with just one last quick Valentine's Day craft. And this one, I picked up this red glitter heart from the Dollar Tree. And I am going to cover it with twine to give it kind of a country look. And then we'll be adding some flowers for embellishment. Right, and for this craft, of course, you will need to start out with a heart. You will need some jute or some twine. Now you can pick it up at the Dollar Tree, but I did pick up this large spool of twine because I do go through it a lot. Now the Dollar Tree does have some thicker twine or jute, whatever you want to call it, the rope that I do use sometimes. But this one I think will lend itself pretty well to this project. The other thing you will need is your glue gun and some scissors. Right, now the first thing I want to do is cut off this red ribbon because we'll make a jute hanger. So this does not need to show. There we go. Got that out of there. I noticed as I was starting to wrap this in the twine that it was not giving me enough coverage, even pulling it tight, that I could not see the red glitter between some parts of the jute. So what I want to do is go back over this in a tan paint so that it will camouflage it behind the twine. Alright, and now that I have this I put 2 coats of paint on it. Just wanted to be sure I had good coverage. And it is ready to go. We are going to start with the twine and the hot glue again. Okay, now that we finally have the twine wrapped around our heart, it looks completely different than that cheap dollar store heart that we had. The next thing we're going to do is decorate it, and what I'm going to use is seashells. So I am going to just start gluing the seashells onto the heart. Right, and I'll be doing a little bit of layering and just working it out so that these hearts look good where they're placed. And it's just kind of a freeform, excuse me, just kind of a freeform layout. There's no real rhyme or reason to it. And I'll just keep going until I have something that I like. Okay, and I'm just using a lot of hot glue here because I want to build up behind this shell so it stands up and doesn't fall back over the edge of the heart. So We need to let that dry for just a minute. Okay, and then I'm toying with the idea of something else down here. All right, and then the last step would be just to come back in and attach some twine so we have something to hang this with. All right, so here is our finished heart. We've got it all wrapped in twine. We've got our shell embellishments on it. And I went ahead and just hot glued another piece of twine to the back really securely to hang it with, and it is ready to go. Now if you like this video, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and leave any comments for me down below if you would like. I would really appreciate it. Thanks a lot, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.